A volume helical sweep sweeps a 3D object along a helical trajectory. The 3D object removes the material as it follows along the helical trajectory path, similar to the cutting tool in turning or grinding operations. The main difference between the helical sweep and the volume helical sweep is that in a helical sweep you can add or remove the material, but in a volume helical sweep you can only able to remove the material. To activate the volume helical sweep, from the drop-down list of the sweep command, select the volume helical sweep. My reference tab is highlighted red, which means I have to define a helix sweep profile. Click this define here and select this plane and click on sketch. Go to sketch view and I'm going to draw a reference here. Select this reference and add this edge to my reference. And now I'm going to draw a line from this point to this point and give a check mark to it. Since I haven't drawn any center line in my section, I have to define a helix axis, and I'm going to select this axis as my helix axis, and my section tab is highlighted red. Since I haven't drawn any sketch, I am going out with the sketched section option. If you have drawn any sketch before that, click on the selected section and define the section. I'm going to click on the create section and go to sketch view, and I'm going to draw a corner rectangle here and draw a rectangle from this point to this point and give a check mark to it. Now you see the preview of my volume helical sweep, which removes the material. Now I am going to explain the various pitch options which are available in the volume helical sweep. So at start my pitch value is 92 and click on add pitch, and I'm going to enter a value of 20 at the start point, and at the end point also I'm going to enter a value of 20 and select the add pitch once again, but this time I'm going to enter it by value. I'm going to enter a value of 50 and now my pitch is located at a point of 50 at a distance from the start point. And select the add pitch once again. This time my location type is going to be by ratio, and I'm going to enter a ratio of 0.5. Now you see that my pitch is at the midpoint of my helical sweep profile. And before explaining the other option, I'm going to edit my helix sweep profile, and I'm going to locate a point in my hair and give a check mark to it. And now go to the pitch options and select add pitch and select by reference, and I'm going to select this point as my reference. Select this point here, and now you see that my pitch is added to that point here. If I go to the adjustments tab, I can able to adjust the orientation of the 3D object. This tab here shows the preview of my helical sweep profile path, and this shows the visualization of the 3D object. And you can also tilt the 3D object along the x-axis and the z-axis. I'm going to provide a tilt angle of 15. Now my profile is tilted at an angle of 15 along the z-axis right here and the x-axis also, and give a check mark to it.